Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we are having maths class. Children, in your previous class we are all done in activity 2. This is in your textbook children. Very good children. Let's see Amma, this is also over. Somebody doing textbook and somebody wrote in your classwork children. Very good. Let's see Amma, next one. What is our next one? Activity 3. In your previous class, you wrote from 301 to 400. Okay, children? Now, activity 3. In activity 3, first bit is what? Write the missing numbers. Say them aloud as you write. Okay, here you get some numbers, 640, 641, 642, 643 and 644. Okay, children? Now, here you need some numbers. Okay, children? Now, fill the numbers here. 725. 725. After what comes, children? Now, tell me, children, next number is what? 725. After what comes, children? 726. Okay? Okay, children? Next is what? Next number is what? 726. After what comes, children? 727. 727. You should write in this box. First 726. Next 727. Next children, here get your number. What is that? 728. This is get. And next 728. After what comes, children? Tell me. 728. What comes? 729. You should write here 729. Children, next 845. These are missing numbers. These are missing numbers. Okay? You should write in these empty boxes. What comes next? You should write here. Okay? 845. What comes next? Next number is what comes, children? 845. After what comes? 846. Okay, children? Next 846. After what comes, children? 847. Next here you get 748. You get that number. Next 748. Next what comes, children? Sorry. 845. Sorry, children. 845. Next 846. Next 847. Next you get this number 848. Next what comes, children? Tell me. Next number is what? 849. Next number is what? 849. Now tell me, children. 451. Which number comes before? Here 451 is there. You get here 451. Which number comes before? Tell me, children. 450. 451 before 450. 450. 451. 451. Next what comes? 452. Okay, Amma? Next 452. Next 453. Next you got that number 454. You can understand how to write the missing numbers. Okay, children? And next here one is there. This is doing your test book, Amma. Okay? This is doing your test book. Next, Amma, please copy in your classwork and test book. Both you copy that. Next, what number comes before, between and after, I will explain now. Okay? First, before numbers, we are seeing first before number. Please copy, Amma. Next, write the right numbers comes before, between and after. what number comes first before this one. Write numbers from 401 to 500 children. Please, you should write this. Write the numbers from 401 to 500. First write this. Okay. Next, let's see next bit, Amma. What number comes before, between and after? Okay, this is over. What number comes before, between and after? First we are looking before numbers. First we are learning before numbers. First children, you learn numbers from 1 to 1000. You do this bit easily, you know, from 1 to 1000 numbers. You learn first 1 to 1000 numbers. We are doing this is very easy for you. Okay, ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా చేయగలుగుతారు. 1 నుంచి 1001 వరకు నెంబర్స్ మీరు లెర్న్ చేశారనుకోండి, you can easily this bit before numbers, you should write before numbers, between numbers, after numbers, that you can easily. First, we know numbers first. You will learn first numbers from 1 to thousands. Okay, children, look here. Now tell me, children, 983. What number comes before? Tell me, children, which number comes 983? Which number comes before 983? 983. Before what comes? 982. Before what comes, Amma? We are check it here. 3 is there. 3 before what comes? 2. So 98. First you write 98. Then you are checking in ones place. 3 before what comes? 2. So you get number 982. Okay. You compare like that. Okay, children. Let's see, Amma. 720. 720. Which number comes before? Which number comes before? 720 before what comes, Amma? First you have check it. Once here 0 is there, so 0 here tens in ones 0 is there. So we are checking in both tens and ones. Here you get in which number, Amma? 20. You get in tens and ones 20 is there. So 20 before what comes? 19. 20 before what comes, Amma? 19. You should write first 19. Then you write 7. Can understand how to write before numbers? First here 0. First we are checking in ones place. 3 is there. First you write 3 before. You know 3 before easy. Okay, children. Next one, Amma. Here 0 is there. 0 before number is you know that? No. 0 before negative numbers are there. So we are checking in tens and ones. In tens 2 is there, in ones 0 is there. So you get 20. 20 before what comes? 19. You should write first 19, then you write 7. Okay. Next one, Amma. 860. Here also in ones plus 0 is there. So we are checking tens and 160 is there. 60 before what comes? Tell me children, 60 before what comes? 59. Then you write 8. What's your number? 859. Okay children, let's see next number 420. 420 before what comes? First we are checking in tens and ones. 20 before 19. You write next 4. Okay. 4. 346. 346 what comes before? 5 before what comes, Amma? 4. So you should write 344. Next 25 is it. So 5 before what comes? 4 again 4. So 624. 624. Next 892. 2 before what comes? 1 and 89. So you get which number? 891. 891. 892. 892 what comes before? 891. These are before numbers. What is your homework today? You should write the numbers from 400 to 500. This is your homework. Please write in your classwork children and post it. Okay. Still any doubt children in before numbers? Tomorrow in next class I will explain between numbers and after numbers. Okay children, take care. Bye. Have a nice day.